In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy messages on WhatsApp Web. When accessing your WhatsApp on the computer, it can be incredibly handy to know how to quickly copy messages. Whether you're saving information for later, sharing it with someone else, or just getting better organized, this skill can be very useful. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to open WhatsApp Web. To do this, go to your browser. Popular choices include Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, but any modern browser should work just fine. Then head over to the WhatsApp webpage. If it's your first time, you'll see a QR code. On your mobile device, open WhatsApp, go to the three-dot menu if you're on Android or the settings gear on iOS, and select Linked Devices. From there, select Link a device and scan the QR code on your computer screen with your phone's camera. Once you're logged into WhatsApp Web, navigate to the chat containing the message you wish to copy. This is usually done by selecting the desired chat from the list on the left side of your screen. Click on it, and the conversation will open in the main window. Next, find the exact message you want to copy. This might be a text, an address, a contact detail, or anything else relevant. Once you've located the message, position your cursor over it. Now, you need to right-click on the message. If you're using a trackpad or touch device, remember that a right-click is often achieved by either double-tapping the trackpad or using the secondary button on the device. This step is crucial as it opens a context menu with several options. From the context menu, you have various options such as forwarding, starring, or deleting the message, but you'll want to choose Copy. Click on Copy, and the text is now stored in your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you like. It could be to share with a friend, save into a document, email, or transfer into notes. To paste, simply go to any text field, right-click again, and select Paste. Or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+V on Windows, or Command+V on Mac OS. Remember, copying messages is only for text content. If your message includes images or other media, you'll need to download them separately. This quick and easy method is perfect for enhancing how you manage your message exchanges on WhatsApp Web, and is invaluable for maintaining efficiency and staying organized. With these easy steps, copying messages on WhatsApp Web can be done in just a few seconds. So give it a try next time you are on your computer and see how it can simplify your digital communication. Enjoy smoother messaging and seamless content management.